Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video, I will be showing you how you can be able to do face swap with this simple trick online. Guys, in this video today, I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to enable or to be able to do any face swap just like the way you are seeing on the screen. So I will be showing you today. I only request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding. So guys, let's get started with me. And guys, the first thing we're going to be doing today, here we have to open our browser. I will be recommending Google Chrome today for the sake of this video. I will be recommending Google Chrome. And then I have a website for you, and the name of this website I will be showing you today is tugoover.com /face swap. So you click on next. So guys, as you can see, it is loading, and this is the interface of the website. It is a very simple website that you can be able to use. Guys, as you can see, this is an example of what you can be able to do. You can be able to swap any face. Guys, as you can see, you can be able to swap any face. So guys, before I show you how to use this particular site, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video on this channel, you will be the first person to be notified. Alright guys, as you can see, here we have to scroll down below, and guys, in this interface here you can say drag file to here or choose file size can't exceed 6 MB. So guys, here, because we are using our phone, here we have to click on this choose file. Once you click on this and this choose file, it will be taking you to your gallery. So here I will choose a simple picture that I will be using today. I will be choosing a very simple picture to use. So I will be using this Davido. This is the video picture. So guys, as you can see, this is the picture is still loading. And then what you're going to be doing next, here you have to choose the picture in which you want to swap from this to the picture. So I will select the second picture for the first swap. So here it will ask us, it will take us to our gallery again. So here I will enter my gallery and then I will select this picture. This is Tenny. I will choose her picture in order to swap. So guys, here this is the differences here. Guys, as you can see, this is her picture and then this is the video picture. So I will be swapping the faces now. So in order to do that, here you just have to click on submit. So we wait for it. After I click on submit, then you have to scroll down. So guys, as you can see, it has been changed. As you can see, it has been changed from this one to this one. Guys, as you can see, this is very simple. So you can be able to do any face swap with this particular website. It is an amazing and unique website. I will be dropping the link of the website in the description, and you can be able to download this directly to your phone. So please, if you found this video to be helpful, like this video, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.